We design our products to have significant durability and lifetime. We are committed to the concept of the circular economy, so we want to offer our customers the capacity to remanufacture and reuse a portion of our compressors. So these centres allows us to provide that offering to give second lives to the core elements of our compressors to major customers. Air ends are the component of the compressor that actually compress the air. As with any mechanical device, they can wear. We have the capacity to remanufacture those units to bring them back to factory tolerances. So they're effectively brand new unit, and that allows the core part of your compressor to have a second or even third life.
So we have 4 air end centres across the country: Perth, Melbourne, Newcastle and Mackay. Each of those air end centres is manned by technicians that have been specifically trained in the refurbishment of our air. And each of those 4 centres can either rebuild a customer's air end or sell them an already refurbished air end. So once we've received the air end back from the customer, there's 4 steps that we need to put it through. Firstly, we completely clean the external and internal faces and components to make sure they're ready to be worked on. We then assess those components to make sure they can be reused or which ones can't be reused, and those that can't we send out for manufacturing. At the same time, we source consumable parts, mainly bearings and seal. Third stage is to reassemble the unit and test it to make sure it works okay. Fourth point is to paint the new unit and install new hoses across the unit. Restoring an air end is good for everybody. I mean, it's a very large piece of equipment that if you have to throw away and remanufacture, consumes a lot of resources. Firstly, you'd have to mine the base metal, you then got to cast that metal, you've got to then machine it, you've got to assemble it, put it all together, and then freight it to the various locations. Whereas with a refurbished air end, you've got the core air end, you just need to bring it back to OEM specifications.